The next bridge is to be built. Block the road so that no one falls. Block the road from this side too so that no one falls down.
Hey, hello, wake up, we have to go to the emergency.
Yes, well, let's go, both of us.
It was not found that the bridge was broken from the front.
I didn't even know how deep I fell.
How this bridge broke! I fell down badly!
You have fallen down very dangerously.
How badly have I fallen? Please help.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Help! Help! Help!
Gotta run it, gotta run it.
Hooray! Hooray!
Raise your hands up!